Hi, welcome to Viggo's Kitchen. Today we're going to be decorating the cupcakes that I made. And we're going to make it look like the Horn of Plenty. This is an example on how it will turn out. Now let's start coating. And we're just going to coat the top. And what we're going to be using for the icing is going to be, well, icing coated in some sort of beigeish color. And we're going to also use some other types of food coloring to make this color. We're almost done. Just need a few more touch-ups and I'll be done. Looks like we're done for the top. And now it's time to add the horn. You can place it however you want. And I'm gonna place it right here. Just going to turn it kind of like that. You can see the stuff going in. But I'm kind of going to get a few. And I'm kind of going to put stuff here to kind of make it look like it's spilling out of the Horn of Plenty. Oopsie. I'm gonna make it just so. Looks like that was all. And now we're gonna add the pumpkins. Just a tiny touch up before we're done. Looks like we're done. Thank you for watching Viggo's Kitchen. If you like this video, please subscribe and please press the like button. See you next recipe. Ooh, it does look great. I did style it just right.